What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the sum tool on Google Sheets. So let's get started into this video. So you want to open up a untitled document, a blank no, not a document, a sheet, an untitled sheet, and then I named it for you, so let's get started. So, what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to pause the video, so I'm going to add up all my views from my channel right here. So I'm gonna do all that because I have nothing else to do in life, so I'm gonna do that because I'm wasting my time. So I'll see you all when this video's when I've done that. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that if you want to put your data into one column, you have to go on to data and then you have to go on column stats, and there you go. I'll see you in a second. Okay guys, after spending over half an hour on this, I have put all my views of my videos onto the spreadsheet, and it goes all the way to column 79. 79 videos, that means. So I actually did all of these, arranged it from the oldest to the newest. I don't upload that much, that's probably why I don't upload that much, but still, there was a lot of time, okay, it was a lot of time, so I finally done it now, and now what you want to do is go on to column stats, because I missed out column A1, because I'm going to put my title there, because we're going to add a pie chart, so we can arrange it more neatly. So we're going to click on, so make sure it says A on column stats, and then ignore rows 1. So A1 is being ignored, so it won't be in the same thing. So what you want to do now, you hover over all of this. Just get it. Just hover. Oh no, mistake. Oh, thank God I could reverse it. You know. Oh yeah. Okay. So it's kind of hard. Wait. Yeah, it's just gonna be like that. Okay, scroll down until that, and then you want to go onto functions, and then click on sum, and at the bottom this all highlighted bit is your sum, and then click it, so A2 to A79, which is the right thing to do, so it always does it for you, and then click enter, and boom, your total is right there. Your total is at the bottom, and I think we should maybe do something like we should. Okay, so your sum's right there, and so it's 5,714. All of this, all of my channel videos adds up to 5,714, and surprisingly, that's less channel views. That's actually I can't do maths. Six less channel views. I have 5,708 channel views, and all my videos I have 5,714. So I have 6 less than my channel views. So that's how you do it, really. We're gonna put maybe on column B. Let's just do it on column C so it's neated out. So we're gonna put 5,708, which is my channel views. Okay, so yeah, you're gonna do that, and what you want to do now, we're gonna add a chart. So click on insert and then click on charts, and then your chart will appear here with no data on it. And now what you want to do with your data range, as we did with the last video, you want to do that. So you want to do 2. Okay, so you want to name this total channel views. Total channel. No. Actually, no, you don't. Total video. Total video views, all in one go. So you want to do that for that, and then when you want to go on data range, and then you want to go to A1 to A79, I think it was. And then to A79, and let's see what happens. Exactly. So this basically this is how you do it, and you can, I don't really actually like the column chart at all, so we can change it to a pie chart, for example. That's weird. Oh my gosh, wow. So look, it literally is like a color wheel. Wow, these are all the things here. So what you want to do, yeah, so you can change the text of all of these if you want. You can, yeah, you can just do that if you want, but that's how you actually do it. So oh yeah, one more thing. Want to add another data range, and then you want to do to C2. Actually no, A1 to C2. Let's see what happens now. Okay, nothing. Let's see. Okay, nothing. So yeah, it kind of just works like that. I don't recommend maybe doing a chart for this much at all, but if you want to go crazy, go stupid, I don't know. But yeah, this is it. You can name these things here, but like of like all the videos, but I really don't have time for that because I'm just gonna get, it's just a long time. It's gonna take me an hour to do, and it's gonna take me more than an hour to do, and it's just a lot. So I did all I can for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe on this video. Is it actually, hold on, yeah, make sure to leave a like and subscribe on the video. Turn on, oh yeah, don't, actually I think I did something wrong. Yeah, hold on, one second, don't ignore that row, okay? Alright, let's see what happens now. It's still there? Yep. Okay, so yeah, that's, make sure to like and subscribe, and leave a like on the video, and I will see you guys in the next video. I do hope it helped. Thank you for all these views here. 5,714. It's crazy how I've got 6 less channel views. That's interesting. The pie chart doesn't really work. I guess you could do, oh look, yeah, right here. I don't know why it says histogram. Oh look, you can change the title of the text. Oh, okay. Oh, here it is. Total video views. Perfect. I've done it for you guys. That's how you do it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You can ignore that, to be honest, but just fit there for like reasons. if that I have 6 less than channel views than video views altogether. But I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. That's how you do it. Make sure to like and subscribe for the next video, and if you want a gaming video, because I think if you want me to do more Google Sheets I might, but I want to go back to gaming. So thank you guys all for the views, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.